Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just before I begin, I would like to give you guys a heads up that I did officially launch my a Crypto ZX Telegram group chat. So do me a favor, pause the video, go join. The link will be in the description box below. Come say hello. Let's talk crypto and just have a great time and build this community together. So come say hello. And with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.82 trillion. We're up 4.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.1%. Looking at the overall markets, we're finally starting to see a green across the board. Obviously, as you guys may know, we did see a major pullback over the last 1 week, and finally, so far so good. Markets are finally starting to recover, but still, if you guys watched my VeChain video, I still said all eyes are still on Bitcoin right now. We need to head to a specific level when I will be sure and confident that the bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside. But we will get more into that right away. But today I want to look at Cardano, guys. Cardano is making a very nice recovery, and that's what we would like to see. So if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, guys, Cardano is currently trading at $1.82. It's up 13.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 10.6% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 4th spot. Market cap right now is $58.58 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $11.6 billion. Zoom it out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Cardano is holding very well, and this gets me very bullish, and I'll explain as to why. If we're looking in just the last 5%, and in just the last 30 days, Cardano is up 52.4%. And since its all-time high of $2.45, which was May 16, just a couple days ago, we're only down 24.5%. Cardano is holding very strong compared to other altcoins, and this goes to show, even though we are seeing a massive bloodbath across the board, Cardano is holding very strong, and this goes to show where it's heading in the immediate short term. This could give you a better picture as to why. So let's deep dive into the charts and see where we are going in the immediate short term, and we will go from there. So I already have the Fibonacci retracement zone lined up for you guys, so we get right into the detail. As you guys can see right in front of us, Cardano is right in that, it's trading right in that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement, level. And you guys know I said I would like for Cardano to get back into this range, and as a matter of fact, we reached that really fast. And if you manage to pick some Cardano up around this level, let's say if you had some buy orders placed in at that $1.05 range, let's do a measurement since then. Since then, guys, Cardano is up roughly 71.61%. So if you got in around that level, you will be doing very well. And I know a lot of people are saying that they pick some Cardano up around this dip, and that's a very excitement building up around this right now. And if we are bringing out that measurement tool and we measure from its all-time high to its current levels right now, Cardano is only down, guys, it's only down 27.26%. This is very insane. Despite the fact we're seeing Bitcoin still on the shaky end of the side, it's still like I said, if you watch my VeChain video, I did say right now Bitcoin needs to get to a specific level when we can be sure that the bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside. Right now, that is not confirmed, but still, despite that fact, Cardano is making a massive recovery, guys. And I've also mentioned, if you watched my Cardano video yesterday, I said as soon as we see some sort of a bullish momentum picking up in Bitcoin, altcoins are going to recover very, very fast, because they are, correlated with Bitcoin right now very, very, strongly. And we saw that happen, over and over again. Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up. Bitcoin goes down, altcoins definitely go down. So right now, Cardano is looking very, very bullish, guys. And there is different factors that play out as to why we are seeing so much attention in Cardano, and this making such a fast recovery compared to other altcoins. It is due to the fact that obviously the Alonzo hard fork is coming out next month, smart contracts are launching, and obviously that Africa expansion, which has a lot of people excited. And obviously a lot of people really do think Cardano is the future, considering what it is doing. And a lot of people do believe that it will be the top altcoin in the next 3 to 5 years, overtaking Ethereum. I personally have been saying that since Cardano was literally at its lowest prices, and I'm still a believer on that, considering what it's doing and how it's way more superior than Ethereum in so many ways. And I would not be surprised if it took over in the next 3 to 5 years. But right now, let's jump into Bitcoin's charts, and then come to see where we could see Cardano go in the next coming days. All right, so let's jump into Bitcoin's chart. All right, so Bitcoin is doing something insane as well, but so far so good. We are trading at that $40,205 level. We went all the way down, up to $42,411 today, guys. So what I personally would like for Bitcoin to do is get back above this resistance level and just hold. Possibly even get above this $46,500 level and just trade sideways. I would not mind if Bitcoin trades sideways for a month or a two. I'll be happy. I take that any day. Because we would like for Bitcoin to consolidate and trade sideways before it gradually moves up. I don't want it to shoot up straight to $60,000. I would like for it to get back above one of these two levels and just chill around those levels. And if that happened, guys, altcoins are going to skyrocket. Like you will see what I mean. Altcoins will skyrocket as soon as Bitcoin has a stable point. Because right now Bitcoin is going up, down, up, down. So obviously altcoins are going down, up and down with it. So right now it is that the bottom was this $29,000. We need Bitcoin to find a place and trade sideways, for a while before we do make that statement. But with that being said, guys, there's definitely a possibility of us coming back down to this level, and this could be a fake out. This definitely could be a fake out, so we have to be prepared for that. This could be heavily well manipulated move. So you guys know me. I always say Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market, and these markets can be very, very manipulated. So you do not want to be shaken out during this time. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key. Even if we fall further down, you do not want to be shaken out. So I'm not saying that there's not a potential of us going back down below 30K. That's definitely a possibility. But we will see in the next day or two, and have a confirmation then. If Bitcoin were to hang around above this level and trade sideways, guys, then I am certain that the bottom is in and we are gradually about to move up, and so is the entire market. But as of now, everything is looking not so bad. But personally, I would like for Bitcoin to at least go above $43,100 level and trade around there. And so far, so good. But this could be a fake out. Only time will tell. We will see in the next day or two to see what exactly is going on. So going back to Cardano, guys, Cardano is up 23% and just in the last 24 hours. Absolutely insane. This goes to show you do not want to be shaken out, especially good projects like Cardano. These projects are here to stay, guys. These projects are going nowhere because they are revolutionary. Obviously, there's like 6,000 to 7,000 coins on Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko. As I always say, 95% of them will not survive, and they're not here to stay. Obviously, you can make a couple gains off them during this bull cycle, but not all of them will stay here long term that have a working product use case projects like VeChain, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana. These are just to name a few. These are projects are here to stay because what they're doing, and they have a actual use case, and the big communities, and they are definitely here to stay. And Cardano is definitely the biggest one in my opinion, and so is VeChain. So far so good. Everything is holding very, very nicely. We are in that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. If Bitcoin gradually moves up, like I mentioned, when we went to the Bitcoin charts, we could definitely go back into this range as well, guys. And that would be absolutely insane. We went there today, $1.94, guys. And I would not be surprised if Cardano gets back into this range and just trades sideways and see a new all-time high. That would be absolutely insane. But the bearish scenario, let's pull that out before I end this video. Obviously, we have to look at the bearish scenario if that were to play out. You guys know me. I keep it 100% realistic with you guys. And so bearish scenario would be, let's say Bitcoin goes below 30K, which I am saying right now is definitely a possibility. It's not out of the books. I personally would not like to see it, nor would anyone else like to see it. But we have to be prepared for these moves because these moves can occur anytime of the day in cryptocurrencies. So if that happened, yes, we have downwards movement to go towards, and we could possibly go down to $1.50. If we go below 30K, then I could definitely see us go below this support level, even though this is a heavy level of support. But drop to 30K would be very significant, so we could even fall back down to $1.05, and that is a possibility right now. And if that happened, I personally will be picking more Cardano up around those levels and have zero fiat left at that point. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Everything is looking very, very nice for Cardano, guys. And, this project is here to stay long term. And I would not be surprised in the next coming 4 to 5 months, us looking back at Cardano at $1.80 and laughing at these prices. And also, going on staking rewards, as you guys can see, I always like bringing this up, guys. I always like bringing this up and showing you guys so you guys get a better picture as to what is going on. So staking rewards, this is a website where it shows the staking with projects with POS and the highest ones. Right now, the highest one without a doubt is Cardano, and it is far higher than Polkadot, Solana, Ethereum. And there's $41.48 billion worth of Cardano being staked right now. So if we go look and get a better perspective, let me just load it up. So that means $42.6 billion means that 74.49% of the Cardano circulation supply is being staked right now. So that meaning the other 25% is the other 25% is only on the exchanges. Only 25% is on the exchanges, and that's why we are seeing the price move so fast. Even though altcoin market is down right now, Cardano is recovering very, very fast compared to other altcoins. And that's why we're seeing that, because 74.5% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. And that goes to show that investors in Cardano are not here for the short-term gains. I keep repeating, they're not here for the short-term gains. They're here for the long term. They see where Cardano is heading, and these kind of pullbacks do not get to them. They're just staking. They're compounding their staking rewards, and just making their position bigger day by day. And they're in for the long haul. And that gets me super, super excited. And on top of that, we are seeing a lot of developers moving interest from other blockchain. Ethereum was the biggest blockchain before, but a lot of interest is coming into other blockchains. Cardano is the top one. Then there's Solana, Polkadot, and that's why we're seeing those ones higher than Ethereum right now too, like interest-wise. Obviously, Ethereum, don't get me wrong, definitely a great project, guys. I have nothing against Ethereum. It's just when we compare tech, to tech, Cardano to Ethereum, Cardano is way more superior than Ethereum in so many ways, but Ethereum has that credibility that it has built up over the years. It's more of a safe haven asset like Bitcoin, in my opinion. Now, a lot of institutional investors think of it as like a store of value, more say, as per se, than more like tech and building on it. It's more of like a store of value, and that's what we are seeing. Investors are really investing into Ethereum. That's why it has such a high market cap, and it without a doubt deserves that because has built up credibility and it's more of a store of value in my opinion. But Cardano, I'm not I'm not even like overhyping this up, but I would not be surprised if Cardano takes over Ethereum in the next 3 to 5 years, considering what they're doing and at the rate they're growing. I would not be surprised at all if we do take over Ethereum in the next 3 to 5 years. And also Charles Hoskinson, if you guys don't, I know a lot of newcomers are coming in the markets. Charles Hoskinson is one of the co-founders of Ethereum, so that adds up as well. And also he's a genius, absolute genius. And on top of that, Cardano is listed on all the major exchanges around cryptocurrencies, so liquidity is not a problem at all for us. Everything is set well and done for Cardano. Now it's just a patience time, and it's already paying off for the people that have been hodling and don't have weak hands and have patience. It's already paying off for them. So, I would not be surprised if Cardano does have a massive rally this year. And you guys know my stance long term. Sky is the limit for Cardano as long as they keep on doing what they're doing. And obviously, we have that Tesla hype going on around as well. Like Cardano might be accepted as Tesla payment. Honestly, we don't really need a Tesla in order to succeed, but that would be a plus sign as well, and will bring in more hype. But we also have to be prepared for if Tesla comes out and says they're taking XRP or something else. We could definitely have some sort of sell off around those levels. But long term, you guys know the stance. And with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update around here. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys can see Cardano go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And just another reminder, go hit the link in the description box below and come join the Crypto ZX Telegram group, guys. Let's make this community big, and let's have fun, just talk crypto and just have a wonderful time and share our knowledge with one another and just help each other succeed. And just have a great time at the end of the day. And with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Safety is the most important thing. Health comes first, and family is the most important, and everything else absolutely comes later. And smash that like button. It helps my videos get to a wider audience. So your subscribe and like does help me a lot and goes a long way. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.